loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Desirae Alexandra and welcome. So today I wanted to remake a video because it's been a long time. One of the first videos on my channel was a beauty vanity tour. So I went ahead and redid it. I did get a new vanity. My vanity set is from IKEA. It's 2 dressers and a tabletop. The most popular video on my channel is my first vanity tour, so I just wanted to remake it because that video is so cringy. I think I filmed that video with my cell phone, so I wanted to remake it with better quality, better lighting, and obviously better desk, better lighting, vanity lighting. So I think I've covered everything that I need to cover in this intro, so without further ado, if you guys want to see my vanity tour, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first drawer I'm going to show you guys, it's the drawer on my left side. Basically on the top drawers I like to keep my essential stuff. So here I have like all my concealers. There's some back there. I have like my sharpeners, my headbands. I have my eyebrow stuff in both of this. And I have all my little tools like my eyelash curler, some scissors, some eyebrow pluckers. So that's basically what I have in this drawer. I got these black organizers from IKEA. They sell them specifically for these drawers, and that's how I've been organizing my stuff. Just have a bunch of stuff back there. In this drawer is my highlight drawer. I keep this very close to me by my tabletop because, you know, I love highlighters, so I always grab them. And I have highlighter sticks, I have liquids, I have little packs, even my big ones back here. I have like the ColourPop on this side, Ofra, which are my favorite. This is like my favorite highlighter, the Anastasia and Breezy palette. Highlight. So that's basically that drawer. I love this drawer because, like I said, I am a highlight girl. Losing my voice here. Now this drawer is all of my foundations. Let me see. These are all of my foundations. So all of my liquid foundations here, powder foundations or mattifying powders, and all my translucent powders here. Just anything for my face. I keep it on this side by my desk because they're easy to grab. But yeah, I have like my favorite Too Faced translucent powder here. I've been really into the Beauty Creations foundation, so I have that. I also love the NYX or the L'Oreal Infallible. And of course my favorite Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Oh, and these clear organizers are from Target. Look how dirty this is. I should have probably cleaned this. That's bad. Can you guys see it on camera, the dirt? Okay, hopefully not. So in this drawer I have all my contour stuff, basically big items. I don't really have a lot of these. I also have some hidden highlighters back here that don't fit with all my highlighters. Now this drawer is basically I'm gonna say my second junk drawer because I have another junk drawer that I'll show you guys. But I have all my extras, like extra lipstick there. I have this ring light that goes on the table. I have all my little extra samples down there. I have hair, like a hair towel back there. And here's just like my jewelry box. I keep all like my earrings, my watches in there. So it's just like an extra drawer down here. Now on this right side of my desk, it's kind of similar to my left side. The top I keep all my essentials. So I have my eyeliners, my mascaras, my primers, some clips to put back my hair, some Vaseline, and some eyelash glue. My favorite primer at the moment is the Hangover Too Faced Born This Way. I just have some extras back there. So yeah, that's basically what I have here. Like I said, these black organizers are from IKEA. My next drawer is my bronzers, which I don't really have a lot anymore. But I like to keep these bronzers here just because the left side of here are the ones I use all the time. Like my favorite bronzer right now is the Anastasia Born This Way, kind of like the Too Faced one. But yeah, I have my liquids, my big ones back there. My next drawer are my go-to eyeshadows. So I have two places for eyeshadows because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So I have this big bad boy here. In this little clear container, I have all my glitters, my little eyeshadows. And here I just have little small palettes that I grab all the time, which are the Morphe, which is the Morphe 9D palette. This palette is so amazing, you guys. It's so cute and it's great for traveling. I have my Kylie Cosmetics here. And of course, I love the Morphe palettes, so I keep a lot of those Morphe palettes here. The Jaclyn Hill, and just like the 35O, 35 Matte, 3502, all those fun bad boys there. I keep those here because these are, like I said, my go-to palettes all the time. Does anybody know how to store the James Charles palette? Because it is so big, I don't know where to store it half the time. The next drawer are my mists. Pretty simple. I used to have a lot more than this. I've been really into the Morphe setting spray. That's all I use. I have like Smashbox priming water. These are just all my little mists here. Little ones there. My last drawer here are all my hair essentials. I wanted to keep my hair products on my vanity as well, which is why I upgraded to this vanity. I basically have like coconut oil, dry shampoo, I have my straighteners, my curling irons. I also have my wig glue, which is great to have. I have all my scrunchies down here. I'm still trying to organize this, but hopefully I figure out a way to organize it. Now on my actual long dresser here, on top I have my lipstick container. So I've had this in my last vanity tour. I still have it, but I do want to get rid of a lot of lipsticks because I am very into nudes now. But my favorite lipsticks are the ones on the top because they're easy to grab. My favorite one is a Dose of Color, Knock on Wood. That's my favorite. Up here I have all my perfumes. And like I've mentioned in my previous videos, in my Ulta haul, this is my favorite perfume at the moment. It's the YSL perfume. I also have my fiance's perfume hidden back here. And then this lip gloss is the Disney lip gloss. And I love this lip gloss. And I keep it out because it's kind of broken, so it spills. But it's one of my favorites, and they stopped selling it, and I'm really sad. Okay, in my actual drawers here, the first drawer I have a lot of skincare. So I have my toners back here. I have my face sunscreen back there. My serums here, and my vitamin C oils right there. Oops. The next drawer here is also skincare. I have all my moisturizers here. I have all my eye creams here. I have all my lip treatments and other skincare like face mask, lip correctors. My next drawer here is all my blushes. So I used to never wear blushes, but I've been really into blushes lately. It's just part of my makeup routine now. So I still don't have a lot of blushes, but that's pretty much what I have here. My favorite blush at the moment is this Tarte Clay blush in Sensual. Very natural. My next drawer, so I forgot to mention, I obviously don't have a lot of makeup anymore. I've given away a lot of makeup, and I also have more storage so it doesn't look like a lot. So in this drawer I have all of my sunglasses. I needed somewhere to put my sunglasses, so this is what I have. Again, these organizers are from IKEA, and I just have like my extra sunglasses because all my purses have other sunglasses, so these are just my extras. In this drawer is actually pretty cute. I love the color scheme in here. But this is like where I keep all my, obviously, Q-tips, my cotton swabs, my cellar waters, and my makeup wipes. If these look familiar, these are candle holders from Bath & Body Works or White Barn, whatever you want to call it. I've just emptied out the candle, cleaned it out, and I use them to store. And this drawer is my favorite drawer to look at. Tell me this doesn't look amazing. This right here is my lash drawer. I can't even talk. But in this drawer I have all my lashes. My favorite lashes at the moment are the Beauty Creation lashes. I absolutely love these lashes. I just think they're so cute and so affordable. Look at them. Let me show you a couple. This one's in the Lash Chill. They're so comfortable to wear, you guys. I definitely recommend them. I have all my pack of lashes back there, the ones that come in pack of 5. The next drawer here are the rest of my eyeshadow palettes. So in this drawer I have like a lot of smaller palettes because this 9 Alex drawer is smaller. So here I have all my like ColourPop palettes. My Naked palettes are in here. Just palettes I don't normally grab to, you'll find in here. Now in this drawer I'm very embarrassed, but I didn't even bother cleaning this because it's just crazy in here. This is where I have all my lotions. My favorite lotion, believe it or not, is the Nivea Shea Butter lotion. I use this every night. It's just so moisturizing. But I also have a bunch of like Bath & Body Works lotions that I have in here. Into the Night. I have these minis for vacation. So this is like a shower gel. This one's my fiance's. I just have them in here. I have like body butter. I have like foot cream. I have baby lotion right there. I just have all my lotions in here. Oh, this one's the Versace. Wait, why is it Versace? I don't even have this perfume. That's crazy. I don't even have this perfume, and I think it came with my YSL perfume, which is not the same perfume. Because I've never owned a Versace perfume, but I know this came in a pack, and this came in that YSL pack. I don't know why, because Versace is a different brand. I just noticed that. But yeah, this is just crazy in here. All my lotions are in here. Ugh. And this drawer is my first junk drawer. I just basically throw everything in here, but ta-da! I have everything from a random razor in here. I have this facial cleansing scrub. I have beer pong balls in here. I have tissues. I have just random stuff, face mask. I have this. This is a great way to massage your bones if you are sore. So just everything random goes in here. And underneath everything I have like face masks down there. Here's my actual tabletop. Now I'm missing a little piece here. I have to go buy at IKEA. I just haven't had time, and with being quarantined, I just don't think I can get it. I don't think I can get it for this video. But on the left side, I just bought these clear 3-piece containers here. I bought these from Amazon. They're really cute, so I just keep all 3 together, so it looks like a big block here. So I keep all my brushes there. To the side I have my ring box, which is where I put my ring. Back there I have all my sponges. And then on my actual tabletop, I have this that I got at TJ Maxx. It's from Impressions Vanity. This is from Impressions Vanity. So it lights up and it dims. Really cute, and I found it at TJ Maxx. I love TJ Maxx, so definitely a steal. Up here I have a picture of me and my fiance in Hawaii, and then another picture of us at my sister's Sweet 15. And then back there I have this little heavy like clay container where I put all my lashes from the night before. This is the lotion I use every night for my face. And then this wire is connected to my mirror. You know, when I'm using my phone while doing my makeup, I can charge it up here. Now my actual mirror is from Wayfair. It's from the brand. I don't know the brand, but I'll try to find it and put the link below. The lights do dimmer, and the side of it has a USB port and plugs to plug in items. On the very top I have a Chanel box that came with the perfume, not a purse. I have my YSL, hopefully the lights, and don't mind these holes. I haven't closed the holes because this is where I used to have my shoe rack long time ago. But up here I have the Saint Laurent wallet in this one, and then this Louis Vuitton box that my other wallet came in. So these are both wallet boxes. I have this sign that says Lash Out. And to the left I have this like a marble board where I keep all my cute little pictures. Here's me, my cousins were babies. This is me. This is my grandpa and the ribbon we wore the day he passed. And I just have a bunch of little pictures in here of family, my fiance, my best friend, just a random little thing, my godchildren. Love them. And that's basically it. I just have a very simple vanity now. Like I said, I upgraded my vanity to a smaller vanity to have more storage space. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.